higher high, a lower low. Now the market has formed another higher high. We might see another lower low in the coming weeks before this market continue this trend. Alright, so you might want to wait for this market to make a lower low into this confluence zone to be looking for a buy trade. Okay, so your first target should always be the nearest resistance and the overall target. Alright guys, so welcome to today's analysis. So in this video, I will share with you my trading setup for the Japanese currency pair, the USDJPY and the pounds JPY. The USDJPY has been trending for a very long time after this trend formed a double bottom pattern on this key support level. Alright, you can see this is a bullish reversal pattern that this market formed on this key support level, and this market is looking like it wants to test another major resistance of 180 weekly time frame. Let me show you how we can find a possible buy trade on this currency pair. This is the 50 Feb retracement area where this market. Alright, so you can see the market has pulled back into this 50 Feb retracement area that happens to be this key support level to form a confluence zone here. And you know from Fibonacci retracement, the law says if this market retrace, pull back into this 50 Feb retracement area or this 60 Fibonacci retracement area, the next level always tends to be the extension level. Alright, the next level always tends to be the next extension level. So on a weekly time frame, you can see when this market tests this key resistance area, you can see this retracement. This market form a tight consolidation on this support level. Like call it a tight consolidation. Yeah, it's a consolidation. You can see this a higher high, a lower low, a higher high, a lower low, a higher high, a lower low. Now the market has formed another higher high. We might see another lower low in the coming weeks before this market continue this trend. Alright, so you might want to wait for this market to make a lower low into this confluence zone to be looking for a buy trade. Okay, so your first target should always be the nearest resistance and the overall target should be on this key resistance level of 180. Distance from here to here, that's like a 3000 pip to the upside. 3000 pip to the upside. This currency pair commands a lot of pip. Okay, this currency pair commands a lot of pip, so you have to wait for a pullback into this zone to be looking for a short position. Your first target should be on this two black line. The overall target will be on 180. Okay, so but we can also find a short position too at the break of this trend line. Now let's go to daily time frame. You will see that clearly. Okay, so you can see this is another higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Now this is another higher high. This lower low might break this resistance area, so you might want to be finding a short position also using trend line strategy. Okay, at the break of this resistance, this support that is acting as this trend line that is acting as support, you might look for a short position. Your first target should be at 150, which happens to be this key resistance that might turn support. Okay, you will see it clearly on the 4 hours time frame. Alright, you see what I'm saying? So you want to wait for a pullback into this zone to find a long position, but for the meantime, we might also find a short position at the break of this trend line. Now guys, you don't really have to trade too many currency pair. Alright, from the analysis that I have done so far, from the different currency pair that I have done analysis on, you might want to pick 1 to 2 currency pair to trade. Doesn't mean you have to trade all these currency pair that I'm doing analysis on. You just have to pick 2 or 3 of the setup on this currency pair that you are sure of to trade. All right. So yeah, let's look at the GBPJPY, same bullish trend with the USDJPY. The same thing is also happening on the GBPJPY. You can see this is a double bottom on this key support level, and this market has broken out of this neckline. Is a retest. Okay, so this market is also looking to test another key zone of 240. All right, so how do we find market happens to break this trend line? Then this demand zone is the area you should be looking at to find a bar trade. All right. All right, so if you measure the number of pips from, say, from here down to this place, that's like 1,700 pip to the upside on this GBPJPY, 1,700 pip to the upside. So your first target should be on this nearest resistance, and your overall target can be on this key can be on this key support level. That's like 4,000 pip to the upside. Overall target 4,000 pip, but take profit should always be on the nearest resistance. Okay, so yeah, to look for a long trade, just wait for this market to pull back. But you can't be buying here. All right, why? Because this market can just break this trend line, then head to this demand zone area. So you want to wait for a break of this trend line. If this market happens to break this trend line, you might also find a short position on a 4 hours time frame or any lower time frame at the break of this this trend line. But to be on the safe side, if I'm to buy this market, is to wait for this this market to pull back into this zone. At this zone is where I'll be looking to long this market. My take profit will be at this this first black line, 1,700 pips. Overall targets at this key zone, that would be a 4,000 pip to the upside. So yeah, this is what is happening on the GBP and JPY market. As I said earlier, guys, you don't really have to trade every currency pair that I drop analysis on. All you have to do is to pick the A plus setup, the setup that you are sure of to trade. It can be one currency pair, it can be two currency pair. Just pick any of all these currency pair that I drop analysis on. You don't really have to trade all of them. Just pick any of them that you are sure of the analysis, then you trade. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you next on the other video.